Okay, sometimes when you set up your igloo tent, it can turn out like this. It's a little bit disappointing, and the reason is because the hoops here get twisted. Let me show you how to untwist the hoops. Inside the cover you can feel the steel hoop, and if you continue to feel it and work your way around, you will find a place where it's twisted, and if you bend it like this, all of a sudden it'll snap into shape. Just watch what I do. And now the tent is erect as it should be.